Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, friends. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to do example 1.11. So the question is, prove that cos theta minus sin theta cos theta is orthogonal. So it is a very simple question. What you have to need is you have to know that what is the orthogonal. So orthogonal is nothing but A into A transpose is equal to I3. That's all. You have to know only this. This is the orthogonal formula. So you have to do this. Then if you have to do this and you have to get I2 because you have here 2 into 2 matrix. So here you have 2 into 2 matrix, then you will have I2. Okay, so let me do this one, A into A transpose. So for doing that, first you know what is A. So let A is equal to sin cos theta minus sin theta cos theta. Now we have to do this transpose. So transpose is nothing but you have to change this column into row and row into column. That's all. So A transpose is equal to cos theta minus sin theta and cos theta. That's all. It's a very simple one. So next what you are going to do is you are going to multiply this both A into A transpose. So you have to do this. A into A transpose is equal to, so here sin theta minus sin theta cos theta into A transpose cos theta minus sin theta again sin theta cos theta. So we are gonna multiply this. So for multiplying it, what you are gonna do is, for multiplying, you have to multiply this column with this row and again this column with this row. Okay, with this row. So cos theta is equal to cos square theta. Then minus sin theta is equal to minus into minus plus sin square theta. Okay, then here this row into this one. Okay, so cos theta sin theta again here minus cos theta sin theta, and here now with this one with row and column. Sin theta cos theta is equal to cos theta sin theta. Again here this one. So cos theta minus sin theta is equal to minus cos theta sin theta. Then here again sin theta sin square theta and cos square theta plus cos square theta. Here it is. So we know that cos square theta plus cos square theta is nothing but 1. And here cos sin theta minus cos sin theta will be cancelled. So we'll get 0. Okay, and here cos theta sin theta minus cos theta sin theta, again it will be cancelled, and here you will get 0, and sin square theta plus cos square theta is also 1. So here you get I2, correct? So hence we prove that A transpose is equal to I2. Hence proved. So it's a very easy sum. So let's you do it and try it. Then we will know how it's easy.